Assalamu alaikum. Today I'll show you how to roast peanuts. You can see I'm stirring the peanuts in the pan. While stirring, they are turning a little red. You can see it almost roasted. I have already roasted one pan of peanuts. You can see now they are ready to eat. This color is a little reddish. Oh, so tasty. My niece also ate some peanuts. Now I'm offering her, but she's feeling nervous and on my camera and feeling shy. You can see already I have roasted one pan of peanuts and I'm still stirring the peanuts. If it is very hot, you can feel that heat with your hand. But now it is winter, so it is not too hot. Some peanuts are red. One side you can see the heat of fire. It looks like black, but it not black. Another side got more heat. That's why you can see the other side is still white because it got less heat. I'm stirring still now